Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to split screen on the Samsung phone. Alright guys, let's get started. First of all, select the applications you would like to open in split screen view mode. And for example, I'm going to open my calculator application, so we can tap on the application. And after that, we can click on this recent button. Then we can tap on this icon, this calculator icon. Then there will be several options for us, and since we want to split screen, we can click on open in split screen view. Okay, then you can select the second application you would like to open in split screen view, and just wait for a moment guys, it's still loading. And for the second application, I'm going to select the clock application. Okay, just tap on the application. Now as you can see that the screen has been splitted, and we can adjust the position. You can just drag this blue line. You can drag it up or drag it down, it's up to you. And alright guys, that's how we can split screen on the Samsung phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.